Business Services has automated the travel allowance request process. Staff members that need to travel between buildings on a regular basis may request an allowance for the semester or the entire school year. To begin the process, go to the Employee Portal and click District Forms. From the District Forms portal page, go to the right-hand side under Travel and click Travel Allowance Request. A browser-enabled form will appear that will populate your name, employee ID, current date, and your position. You need to select who you report to, or your home building. For this example, I will use Ben Franklin Principal. This person will approve this travel allowance request. In the next section, you need to pick where you're going from and to, and how often during the week you do it. For this example, I'll start with my home school of Ben Franklin and travel to North High to teach a class in the afternoon. The form will automatically compute the mileage. Next, I need to pick the days of the week that I travel on. If I have to return back to Ben Franklin to complete my day, I can do that on the next line. Go from North to Ben Franklin and pick each day of the week. You can add as many rows as you need to. The total for this request will be 3 miles per week. The estimated monthly allowance will be the 3 miles per week times the current mileage rate for a total of $1.69 times 4 weeks in a month to give me a monthly allowance of $6.78. If the rate needs to be adjusted, Business Services will do so and let you know the difference. In the comments area, you can make any comments that you need to your supervisor. For this example, I will make a simple comment such as, I will travel this schedule for the entire school year. So it's a good idea to note if you're doing this for a semester or for the whole year. The last step for you is to submit it to your supervisor. This will bring up a success confirmation screen, and you may close the window and do not need to save. After your supervisor has approved the request and Business Service has processed the request, you will get an email confirmation from eZone with the subject Travel Allowance Request Approved and Processed. When you open the email, you will see that you will need to review your next pay stub on Employee Self-Service to confirm proper processing, but you do get a copy of your actual request. And within that request, you will also get a breakdown of how Business Services will pay you on your monthly paycheck. If the rate changes, you will get another email at that time on how the remainder of your school year payments will be made.